Just that life, no, them no fit kill my vibe. Hey people, welcome back. Let's just get right into it. Please like and subscribe if it's your first time here. These are my early days and it's like road to 1K subs. So yay! All right, I don't want anyone to come for me for using wipes to clean my face, but like there's a whole backstory to that. Today, I had already done my skincare and decided to film this YouTube for you guys because I'm heading out later today. So I'm just taking off all the excess oils and sweat here. So relax. So what I usually do to my face is linked up right now, so you can watch that. I do all of that except the vitamin C serum because my face gets oily really quickly when I wear makeup. Back to this, I'm using my Simple Light Moisturizer as a base. If you've watched the video, my skincare video, you know the tea with this moisturizer. Next, I go in with this face primer. Don't worry, I'll put all the products in the description box for reference. I'm so glad you guys didn't notice how filthy my primer is. You guys are being so nice. Let's have this attitude for the entire video. Love you guys. Anyway, I use like a pea-sized amount and rub it in the parts of my face that secrete the most oils, just so it makes for like a solid base. It's foundation time. If you know me, I rarely ever use foundation because I always don't want to look like I have makeup on. Plus, foundation can be a lot sometimes. I'm not even going to lie. But this foundation actually eats, like it slaps and it is mattifying. So it's a win in my books. I use my fingertips first rather than like a brush to spread the foundation evenly. I then go in with a beauty blender to make the foundation one with my skin. Amen. I love concealer time because it's when you start sculpting your face. Like you can clearly see your face coming together here. I use a Zikel concealer here and it's not too dry and not too wet. It's perfect for me and easy to blend. Using a beauty blender, I make sure again that these products seep into my skin and doesn't leave any, creases. I also put some product on my forehead, nose, upper lip area and chin, and then I blend away. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? See how good I look already. Tell me you do not love this. At this stage, I like to set my face with this setting spray. I feel like it allows my makeup sit perfectly and it prevents those, cracks and creases that happen when you've worn your makeup for a while. Boom, I'm back with brows on. I'm sorry, guys, but I'm sure you know what the struggle is with filming while doing your brows. So let's not act like I committed some heinous crime. Oh, I need to fix my lashes. Fuck, I forgot. I typically fix my lashes first before anything because it's so much easier to fix them on while you're not worried about like ruining your eyeshadow or something. Moving on, you guys are going to forgive me in advance because I'm not putting lashes on camera. Anyway, I use like a brown shadow to like on my eyelid. It's my go-to makeup look, so nothing fancy. Then I set under my eyes with like a bright powder. Not really doing bright under eye today, sharp. That's for another time. So you see, I'm back with lashes. Yeah, it wasn't easy. It actually was a struggle, but maybe next time I'll film it so you guys will believe me. Yeah, do you maybe use a cream contour or powder or both? Since it's my everyday look, I just use like a darker powder to contour my face. I think I used eyeshadow today actually. I think that's what I used, yeah. For blush, I am positive I used eyeshadow. The pigment on this palette, I swear to God, is out of this world. Don't worry, it will be in the description box. For my lips, when I'm using like two or more glosses, sometimes I don't line my lips first, especially when I want the colors to blend the way I like it. Like I did here, I use like a lighter shade first, and then I take off some product if I think it's too much. Then I go in with what I use to line my lips. I'm using like a Zikel lip gloss for the darker lip gloss. But the pink one is Hegai and Esther. I'm not sure, but I think these are Nigerian brands. But just look at how beautiful my lips. I like to add some shine to the bridge of my nose. I just love how it looks. I just love how it looks. I swear to God, oh my God. I'm such a cutie. I'm so cute. It looks so good. You guys, look, it's Rihanna. Oh my god, it's Rihanna. I low key think my lips are my best feature, I swear. I used to think it's the eyes, Chico. My lips are yum too. I'm going to be sealing up everything. Yeah, I'm going to be setting up everything with my Milani powder and then going in with a setting spray again. I have to say I like doing these voiceover videos because wait, what's the reason? Uh, I don't know, but I just like it. I just really like it. I think it's easy somehow. I just got these locks installed, so it's a bit stiff. But like I said, I'm heading out today, so let me style it a little. Everyone says that I look cute when I do my hair like this, so that's what I'm doing again. What do you guys think? If you like it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.